Get ready to unlock the mysteries of AI with this week's top trending large language model projects. From Elmware's toolkit that's revolutionizing LLM application development to the personal security insights of Lissy 93, we're diving deep into the innovations that are setting the tech world abuzz. Join us as we explore these groundbreaking projects, each weaving its unique thread into the fabric of AI's future. Prepare to be inspired, informed, and intrigued by what these developers have achieved. Project number 1, Elmware. A deep dive into the world of LLM application development. In the vast and ever-expanding universe of technology, a new star is rising, and it's called Elmware. Imagine you're a builder, and instead of bricks and mortar, you use code to create. Elmware is like your ultimate toolbox, packed with everything you need to build amazing software applications, powered by the latest AI brains, known as large language models, LLMs. Developed by the creative folks at Elmware on GitHub, this project is not just another tool, it's a revolution in how we think about software development. It's designed to make your work as a developer faster, smoother, and more fun. How? By giving you pre-made building blocks, like connectors to plug into different AI models, adapters to make these models talk to each other, and even pre-trained models ready to go right out of the box. This means you can focus on crafting your masterpiece without getting tangled in the technical nitty-gritty. But Elmware isn't just about speed. It's also about making your applications smarter and more adaptable. Whether you need to integrate an AI that understands natural language, or one that can generate images from descriptions, Elmware has you covered. And the best part? You can customize it to fit exactly what you're working on, ensuring your application does precisely what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, Elmware is like a high-performance sports car. It's powerful, but it requires a skilled driver. If you're new to the world of AI or coding, Elmware might seem a bit daunting at first. There's a lot under the hood, and getting the most out of it requires some learning. But for those willing to take the plunge, the rewards are immense. You'll be at the forefront of AI application development, creating software that's not just useful but truly innovative. And you won't be alone. The llmware community is growing, filled with developers sharing tips, tricks, and code to help each other out. While it's not as large as some other developer communities yet, it's active and welcoming. So if you dream of building the next big thing in software, Elmware might just be the toolkit you need to turn that dream into reality. Project number 2, Segment Anything. A look at Facebook's image segmentation powerhouse. Step into the future of images with Segment Anything, a groundbreaking tool from the minds at Facebook Research. This isn't just any image tool. It's like having a magic wand that lets you highlight and separate any object in a picture with astonishing precision. Whether it's a playful puppy in the park or a distant star in the night sky, Segment Anything can isolate it with ease. Imagine wanting to focus on a single flower in a vast field or differentiate a specific car in a crowded street. Segment Anything makes it possible. What sets it apart is its incredible flexibility. It doesn't just work on predefined categories. Instead, it uses advanced AI to understand and segment almost anything you can find in an image. And the accuracy, it's top-notch, thanks to being trained on a massive dataset, ensuring that the objects are highlighted precisely as they appear. But Segment Anything goes beyond traditional image editing. You can interact with it using simple text commands, telling it exactly what you want to focus on. This level of intuitive control opens up new possibilities for creativity and efficiency. Whether you're a professional designer, a developer, or just someone who loves to play with images. However, harnessing the power of Segment Anything comes with its challenges. It's a tool built for those with a technical background, requiring familiarity with Python, PyTorch, and other deep learning libraries. And given its sophistication, it demands significant computational resources, ideally running on machines equipped with powerful GPUs or utilizing cloud computing platforms. Despite these considerations, Segment Anything stands as a testament to the potential of AI in transforming how we interact with digital images. It's an invitation to push the boundaries of creativity, offering a glimpse into a future where our digital tools are limited only by our imagination. For those willing to dive into its technical depths, Segment Anything offers the keys to a new realm of visual exploration. Project number 3, Observable Framework. Building data apps without the hassle. Let's move to the world of Observable Framework, where data comes to life in ways you've never imagined before. Brought to you by Observable HQ, this isn't just another development tool. It's a revolutionary approach to creating data-driven applications. Whether you're crafting interactive dashboards, comprehensive reports, or dynamic visualizations, Observable Framework is your one-stop shop for bringing data insights into the spotlight. Imagine being able to blend the power of JavaScript for front-end flair with the analytical muscle of back-end languages like Python or R, all within a framework that simplifies everything into static websites. This means you can share your creations with the world effortlessly, without the headaches of server management or deployment complexities. But what truly sets Observable Framework apart is its commitment to rapid prototyping. Gone are the days of slogging through setup and configuration. With this framework, you're straight into the action, turning data into visual masterpieces in record time. It's all about focusing on what matters most, your data and how you present it to engage and inform your audience. Yet for all its strengths, Observable Framework knows its audience. It's perfect for data scientists, developers, and anyone in between who yearns to tell stories through data without getting bogged down by the technicalities of web development. This framework handles the nitty-gritty, letting you concentrate on crafting compelling narratives with your data. However, embarking on this journey with Observable Framework requires a readiness to learn its unique approach. While it streamlines the development process, there's a learning curve to mastering its full potential. And while its community is growing and supportive, navigating the vast possibilities of data-driven storytelling with Observable can be daunting at first glance. In essence, if you're passionate about data and seek a tool that empowers you to build, share, and explore data applications with ease, the Observable Framework beckons. It's an opportunity to transform raw data into interactive, insightful, and accessible stories, all while enjoying a development process that's as enlightening as the end results. Project number 4, Black, the code formatting king with a mind of its own. Enter the realm of Python development, where Black reigns supreme as the undisputed king of code formatting. Created by the Python Software Foundation, Black is not just another tool in your coding arsenal, it's a game changer. Imagine every line of your Python code automatically reformatted to meet the highest standards of clarity and consistency. That's Black for you. It takes your code and transforms it according to its own strict style guide, leaving no room for debate. But why does this matter? In the world of programming, consistency is king. It makes your code not just easier to read, but also easier to maintain. Black's philosophy is simple: one style to rule them all. This means no more arguments over formatting styles in your team, no more hours wasted adjusting spaces or line breaks. Instead, you get to focus on what truly matters: writing great code and building amazing projects. Yet, Black's uncompromising nature comes with its considerations. It applies its style guide universally, without exceptions. For developers with a strong personal coding style, this might feel restrictive. And, while Black speeds up the development process by automating formatting, integrating it into your existing projects can initially disrupt your workflow, as it might reformat large swathes of your codebase to align with its standards. Despite these challenges, Black's benefits are undeniable. It promotes uniformity across your codebase, enhancing readability and reducing the cognitive load on developers. Its popularity within the Python community means you're also adopting a formatter that's widely recognized and respected, backed by active development and community support. In conclusion, if you're a Python developer looking to elevate your coding standards, reduce formatting debates, and streamline your development process, Black might just be the perfect companion. However, embracing Black means embracing its style decisions, a small price to pay for the peace of mind and efficiency it brings to your coding life. Project number 5, OpenCV, your gateway to computer vision magic. Imagine a world where computers can see and understand the world around them as humans do. That's the promise of OpenCV, the open-source computer vision library, a powerhouse toolkit that's unlocking the potential of computer vision across the globe. Whether you're developing applications that can detect faces, recognize landscapes, or even analyze traffic patterns, OpenCV provides the tools to turn those visions into reality. OpenCV is like a Swiss Army knife for developers and researchers diving into the visually driven world of computer vision. With its extensive collection of algorithms and functions, you can process images and videos to detect objects, track movements, or even understand the scenery. It's designed to be cross-platform, running on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, ensuring that your projects can reach the widest possible audience. But what truly sets OpenCV apart is its open-source nature. This means not only is it free to use, but you also have the opportunity to contribute to its development, learn from its vast community, and even help shape the future of computer vision technology. With active development and a plethora of learning resources, OpenCV is continuously evolving, staying at the cutting edge of computer vision technology. However, diving into OpenCV in the field of computer vision is not without its challenges. The complexity of the algorithms and the depth of knowledge required can be daunting. OpenCV demands a certain level of technical proficiency and an understanding of advanced mathematical concepts. Additionally, while it provides the building blocks for computer vision, creating sophisticated applications often requires integrating OpenCV with other libraries and tools, adding another layer of complexity to your projects. Despite these hurdles, the rewards of mastering OpenCV are immense. It opens up a world of possibilities for creating applications that can interact with the world in ways previously limited to science fiction. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a budding researcher, or somewhere in between, OpenCV invites you to explore the fascinating world of computer vision and play a part in developing technologies that redefine how we interact with our environment. In essence, OpenCV is more than just a library. It's a gateway to a future where the line between the digital and the physical world blurs, powered by the vision and creativity of developers like you. Project number 6, Friday, your AI assistant friend. Meet Friday, the latest innovation from OS Copilot, poised to revolutionize the way we interact with our digital world. Friday isn't just another AI assistant. It's your personal helper, designed to seamlessly blend into your daily life, automating tasks and offering help exactly when you need it. From scheduling meetings to managing emails, Friday is there to make your life easier, all through simple, natural language conversations. What sets Friday apart is its ambition to learn and adapt. It aims to understand your preferences, your routines, and even your quirks, making its assistance not just helpful but personalized to fit your life perfectly. And because it's an open-source project, Friday is constantly evolving, with developers around the globe contributing to its growth and capabilities. But Friday's journey is just beginning. Being in the early stages of development means that while its potential is vast, its current functionalities might be limited. For tech enthusiasts and early adopters, this presents an exciting opportunity to be part of Friday's journey, to shape its development and watch as it grows into the ultimate AI companion. However, diving into the world of Friday requires patience and a willingness to experiment. As with any AI in its infancy, there may be learning curves and hiccups along the way. Privacy considerations are paramount, as Friday needs to process personal data to offer personalized assistance. Ensuring this data is handled securely and responsibly is a key focus for the development team. In essence, Friday represents the cutting edge of AI assistant technology. For those intrigued by the possibilities of AI and eager to explore new tech frontiers, Friday offers a glimpse into a future where our digital assistants are more than just tools. They're partners in our daily lives. If you're ready to embrace the adventure of developing and growing with an AI companion, Friday might just be the friend you've been looking for. Project number 7, Personal Security Checklist by Lissy93. In today's digital age, safeguarding our online presence is more crucial than ever. Enter the Personal Security Checklist by Lissy93, a comprehensive guide designed to fortify your digital life against the myriad of security threats lurking online. This isn't just a list, it's a full-fledged strategy for personal digital defense, covering everything from password management and email security to social media savvy and beyond. Imagine having over 300 actionable tips at your fingertips, each designed to enhance your online security. Whether you're a tech novice seeking to navigate the complexities of online privacy or a seasoned internet user aiming to tighten your digital security, this checklist offers invaluable insights tailored to your needs. It's like having a personal cybersecurity expert guiding you through the do's and don'ts of the digital world. The beauty of the Personal Security Checklist lies in its accessibility and breadth. It's open source, allowing for constant updates and contributions from the cybersecurity community. This means you're not just following static advice, you're getting a living document that evolves with the latest security trends and threats. However, the extensive scope of the checklist can be overwhelming at first glance. Where do you start? Which tips are most relevant to you? It's important to approach the checklist as a journey, not a one-time read. Start with areas most pertinent to your digital life and gradually expand your security practices. The checklist is designed to be modular, so you can tackle it in sections, making your journey towards digital security manageable and effective. In conclusion, the Personal Security Checklist is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their online safety. It demystifies the often complex world of digital security, providing clear, actionable advice for protecting yourself online. Whether you're looking to secure your passwords, safeguard your social media, or protect your personal data, this checklist is a step-by-step guide to achieving peace of mind in the digital realm. Dive in, take charge of your digital security, and navigate the online world with confidence. As we wrap up our journey through the latest and greatest in large language model projects, remember, the future of AI is in our hands. Whether optimizing your digital security with LISI 93's checklist, or exploring the frontiers of computer vision with OpenCV, each project offers a unique glimpse into the potential that lies ahead. Stay curious, keep exploring, and join us next time for more insights into the evolving world of technology. Together, let's shape a future we're excited to be part of.